Our following speaker is a dedicated professional with over 15 years of experience in the field of cybersecurity, excelled in senior roles that offer challenges and rewarding opportunities. Our speaker will be speaking about vulnerability management challenges within an organization and AI. Please welcome Hamid Shahbar, Associate Director, Cybersecurity Management.
Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, everyone. So today I want to discuss the vulnerability management issues that we are currently facing as we're moving toward digital and how AI can help us. When we talk about vulnerability management, long time ago, organizations did not have that much challenge. We used to have operating systems, few applications, and suddenly we have more and more applications coming. Right now also, we have IoT, OT as well. So we keep on getting these challenges of vulnerabilities. Daily, we get thousands of vulnerabilities. How can we solve this issue? I see security professionals, sometimes they are worried about putting SLAs, closing these vulnerabilities on time, but is it the right move to do? No. I think we should prioritize our vulnerabilities in a way that we can reduce the attacks on the organizations. For example, if a vulnerability is having an exploit right now, hot in the market, attackers are trying to attack it, this is the vulnerability that I want to go to and fix first. So we as security professionals, we should work together to see which vulnerabilities should we handle first. It's a collaboration between the operation guys and the GRC. Should all sit together, set up our priorities. How can we do that? We can talk about the risk of the vulnerability itself. What risk it imposes in our organization? If this vulnerability going to cost me that much, it's going to stop our organization? No, this is a vulnerability that I want to go to. We have recently, in the past few years, we've seen solutions doing orchestration, automation, by embedding the threat intelligence, the right threat intelligence to prioritize our vulnerability. But is it the right thing? No, because the attacks and the hackers keep on changing, new things coming. It's very hard to keep up with them. So that's why I think AI can do a good role here, putting the right model and training it to understand our organizations and the vulnerabilities that we have, and giving us the priority on these vulnerabilities. This is what we want to achieve. However, does it stop here? Is AI going to be the solution? No. I think AI itself also opposes vulnerabilities. I've seen multiple examples. Tesla giving wrong calculations, which actually sometimes it's life-threatening. Microsoft, they have embedded their AI technology into their browsers. giving the users information that Microsoft did not want it to give it to them. Also, I've heard from one of the influencers, one time they were actually doing a simulation on the drone where they told the drone to go and just bomb this building. Once the drone reached, they told it, stop, don't do that. What happened? The drone came back and it bombed it didn't know what to do. So it had to decide for itself. So I know that this is very dangerous when we talk about reality, if we put it into reality. So that's why I think it's a combination between both. Sometimes also if you try ChatGPT, for instance, I try to ask it questions. It will not give you sometimes the answer that you want. It will overcomplicate it. It thinks for itself. So do I give it the decision? Do I make it the decision maker? No. Human will be always there. That's why it will help to reduce the work on humans, but that does not mean it will eliminate the human factor in this. I guess we should learn more about it. We should run simulations. We should understand AI more before we go into the AI world. I feel AI is the future. It will help us a lot, but I've also seen some vendors right now selling solutions saying, just use AI. It will help you reduce analysts, get rid of the L1 support that you have. No, this is not right. AI is not the ultimate solution. Vulnerabilities are very dangerous. If you have all the security controls in the world and you have one vulnerability, that can be the access to your systems. So we need to care more about vulnerabilities. We need to prioritize them and don't let them just sit behind it. Like, I've seen some people arguing and trying to fix high vulnerabilities because they are high. No, just we need to think more, go to the most critical vulnerability that we have, fix it, and then go to the next one. I actually hope to see a collaboration between human and AI in the future that will help us to eliminate such threats. This is what I think, hopefully, inshallah. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Thank you.